Good evening, everybody. My name is Todd Francis. I'm currently the instructor of chemistry at Allen Community College in Iola, Kansas. I just started my 24th year at Allen, and I've also started my fourth year of teaching chemistry online. I am the course designer for the chemistry courses here at Allen. Introduction to Chemistry, Chemistry 1, and Chemistry 2. And it's actually the course designing that actually led me to looking into starting this program at Hayes, this instructional technology program. This is my first semester in the program. I've taken 3 classes this semester, so I'm looking at wondering what I got myself into, in all honesty. When it comes to multimedia applications, this is going to be a huge thing for me. In course designing, at this point, I've kept things very straightforward, very simple with the class, adding in videos, setting up test banks, the lectures, and such. But I know that I can do so much more. It's going to be important that I don't stay static in that course design process. So, learning more about multimedia applications is going to be a big thing because honestly, it is a weakness for me. Not so much that I've avoided it like the plague, but at the same time, I've just taken advantage of what's already out there. So it's going to be important for me to learn actually how to use it and use it to my advantage. One of the things I know in education, and probably all of us do, is we cannot stay static anymore. We've got to keep improving our classes. We've got to keep engaging our students. And that's going to make our classes better. That's going to make our students better. And it will lead to a lot of great things in the future with this. Um, what I, as I said, this is my first year in the program. Where it will take me, that's where I'm going to find out. So it's something to look forward to. With that, I look forward to meeting all of you, working with all of you, and we'll see where this takes us. Thank you.